Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer. And if you're like me, if you have a B or C class RV that happens to have a Mercedes chassis on it, then we're all in the same boat here because one thing, for whatever reason, Mercedes did is they did not add any hood struts when you open up the front hood. So when you go to open this up, you've got the weight of the whole thing, and then you've got to come over here and you've got to put this puppy down to get in here and start to work on anything. And so today we're going to take a few minutes and actually install some hood struts to kind of keep some of that from happening. So this company, I think it's pronounced Subasa, reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to install their hood struts and tell people about it. So that's what we're going to do today. I don't really know anything about it, but what I did do is put the link to these in the description section below so that you can look into it more. And one thing I've found is they're extremely affordable. So once we hook them up, if we think they're good, it's something you may be interested in as well. So let's get started. So the first step is we got to take this this nut out, and we're going to put this in its place for the bottom hook of the strut. And then up here, we're going to take this arm out and we'll put this other one up here. So I backed out the stock bar and put their holder in the bottom here. And on this side, it's a little different. Put the connector up here. So we'll go do the other side now, and then we'll try to put the actual strut arms on. So let's take this bottom one off. It should be pretty quick and easy to do. Okay. Now we'll put the new piece in and use the same bolt we took out. All right, so then we need to remove the arm that holds up the hood. And that should just pop out of there. And then we got to get this out. So let me get something for that. Pinch this together. And if I had another arm, I could pull it through. Pull it through, yes. There you go. Thank you. Right. So now we're going to put the top mount in where we just took that arm out. I'll tighten that up. So now we've got the one side down. We're going to stick it on the other side here. Pop it on there. And then when you do this, the one thing I realized is you want to make sure this is butted all the way up against this other piece for all the stability you can actually get there. Now that should get us. Okay, there. So we've got them both installed now, and now we're down to the last step, which is, do they work? And can I close the hood? So here we go. I'm going to finally, because that's the only thing you have to do is balance the hood while you're putting these things on, because you've taken the lift off, or the lift arm holder off. So now I'm going to reduce the pressure on the hood and slowly, so it stays up by itself. So I think that's a good sign. Now let's see if it closes without any due stress anywhere. Nice. Wow. So now let's open it up and see how that works. Look at that. I don't even have to push it up. All right. Well, I got to say, when you guys check the description section here, go click on the link to this company here and see the details, the information about it, and the price. I think you'll find this is a very cheap modification to a very common problem we all have with these Sprinter vans. Man, why not do it? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. We'll be doing more things like this. And until the next gun, thanks guys. Happy travels.